investment in our color wheel. I had Art 3 work on an edible color wheel. They each got a set of mini vanilla wafers, a little bit of yellow, red, and blue icing. Their goal was to make 3 cookies with the primary, 3 cookies with the secondary, and if they could take a step further, they are going to make the tertiary colors using those 6 colors. It was a great way to end our unit on color theory, and kind of reinforcing all these lessons with a fun, engaging activity.
Playoffs in a long time, but they were ranked up there somewhere.